We've all seen it. That one thick HDMI cable snaking across the floor that someone always trips over.
Dreaded HDMI snake.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So today we're looking at a piece of hardware that claims to, well, kill that snake for good.
Yeah.
It's the NTI ST-WL4K-R98.
Mm-hmm.
We've got the spec sheets, we've got the manual, and the mission is to figure out if wireless HDMI is finally ready for 4K without, the lag.
It's the classic problem, isn't it? We want the perfect quality of a wire, but we don't want the actual wire.
Right. And usually going wireless needs compression or audio lag or just general frustration.
Sure.
But this thing claims to use the 60 gigahertz frequency.
Good.
Why is that specific number so important?
It's all about bandwidth. Think of your normal Wi-Fi, the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz bands, as a crowded city street.
Okay.
The 60 gigahertz band is more like a massive empty superhighway. It has so much room that it can transmit uncompressed Ultra HD video.
Uncompressed, that's the key word right there.
It's everything. We're talking 4K resolution at 30 hertz with full 4.4.4 color. What leaves your computer is byte for byte what shows up on the screen.
So what about latency? Because that's the real killer for anything interactive.
Well, the spec sheet lists it as less than 1 millisecond.
Less than one.
To your eyes, that's zero delay. It's not like AirPlay or Chromecast where you feel that slight slushiness when you move your mouse. This feels like a cable.
Okay, there's no free lunch in physics. If 60 gigahertz is this good, why isn't everything using it? What's the catch?
The catch is that high-frequency waves are incredibly fragile. They carry a ton of data, but they have basically zero penetration power.
So if I close the door between the transmitter and receiver?
The signal dies instantly. If someone stands directly in the path, it'll probably cut out.
Wow. Okay, so it's strictly line of sight.
Strictly. It's designed for in-room use. The box says up to 98 feet, which is huge, but it cannot go through a single wall.
So it's a sniper rifle, not a shotgun.
At it.
Got it. But let's talk about the topology, because the manual had some interesting, almost party tricks.
This is where it gets really compelling for a business setting. It supports what they call a many-to-one setup. You can have up to 16 different transmitters, all paired to a single receiver.
So picture a boardroom table. Everyone has their laptop.
Exactly. 10 people can have a transmitter plugged in. Instead of passing that one grimy HDMI cable around, you just tap a button on your little transmitter and boom, your screen is on the big display.
That solves a massive headache. But I also saw one-to-many. Does that mean it can split the signal?
That's a really crucial distinction for anyone listening. No.
Okay.
It can connect to up to 10 different receivers, but it switches between them. You can't broadcast to all 10 at once. You send to screen A, then press a button and send to screen B.
Understood. So it's not a broadcast tool. Let's talk about the hardware itself. These units look tiny.
They are about 3.5 inches wide and a very nice touch. They're USB powered.
Oh, that's great. You could probably just power the receiver from a USB port on the TV itself.
Most likely, yes. It keeps the setup really clean.
And what about for the home theater folks? Does it handle high-end audio?
It seems to. The manual says it passes through Dolby True HD and DTS HD Master Audio. Since the video stream is untouched, the audio stream is too. It even does 3D.
And the price is sitting around $205.
Which puts it firmly out of the cheap gadget category and into the professional tool space. It's for an AV install where you just can't run a cable.
So what's the final verdict?
If you need uncompressed 4K video, you have a clear line of sight, and you absolutely hate cables, this is probably the best solution out there. Just don't expect it to work from another room.
It's just so interesting to see us pushing right up against the physical limits of these frequencies.
It is, and it sort of leaves you with this bigger question to think about. As we max out what's possible with tech like 60 gigahertz, are we getting close to a future where cables are truly obsolete? Or will something as simple as a wall always keep us tethered in some way?
Something to think about. Thanks for listening to this deep dive.